Good afternoon. Today our topic is about newborn. First, human growth and development. Growth is the process of physical maturation, including increase in size in the body various organs, such as cells multiplication and cells expansion, as well as maturation of tissues. Development is a process of physiological and functional maturation of individual, such as psychological, emotional, and social change. Principle of growth and development: cephalocaudal direction, proximodistal direction, general to specific. Growth is an orderly process occurring in a systematic fashion. Rate and pattern. Growth are specific certain parts of body. Individual differences exist in growth rate. Growth and development are influences by a multiple factors. Critical period of growth and development. Rate and development vary. Development contains throughout individual lifespan. Growth and development age of period: infancy from 0 to 28 days to 1 year old is the first year of life and period of most rapid growth after birth. Toddler from 1 to 3 years old, it is developed motor skill such as the ability to walk and to learn to speak and moving around more. Preschool from 3 to 6 years old, imagination and interaction are starting to develop during this stage. School age from 6 to 12 years old, during this period, the language skills of the children are continue to grow and may behavior change. Adolescence from 13 to 18 years old, it is a time for growth and puberty change called sexual maturation. Physical development of newborn: weight 4 kg, 5 to 10% weight loss by 3 to 4 days after birth. Weight gain 3-4 kg by 10 days of life by end of the first month. Height 50 cm for boy, 49 cm for girl. Average for both is 47.5 to 53.75 cm. Head circumference 33 to 35 cm. Anterior fontanelle, diamond shape, junction of sagittal corneal, frontal suture, formed between two frontal, two facial bone. It is closed at 12 to 18 months of age. Posterior fontanelle is a triangular located between occipital and parietal bones. It is closed by end of first month of age. Chest circumference 32.5 to 33 cm. Vital signs of the newborn: temperature is 36 to 37.2 degrees Celsius. Pulse 120 to 160 beats per minute. Respiration 30 to 50 breaths per minute. Blood pressure systolic 60 to 80 mm mercury. Diastolic 40 to 50 mm mercury. Then, gross motor development: newborn movement are random. Reflexes carry out bodily function is also gross motor are controlling the large muscle of the body. Fine motor development: hold hand, fist. When crying, he drew arm and legs. Fine motor also involve the movement of small muscles group in your child hands. Immediate care of the newborn, drying the baby with warm towel or cloth while being placed on the mother's abdomen in her arm. Then ensuring the airway and breathing is clear, removing muscles, mucus start suction gently and quickly using barbed syringe or catheter from mouth to nose to prevent aspiration. Taking measures to maintain body temperature, dry immediately, place an infant warmer or use drop lights, wrap immediately. 4 mechanism of heat loss: conduction, convection, radiation, and evaporation. It is the process of losing heat through physical contact with other object or body. Conduction is the direct heat loss to solid surface which they are in contact. Convection, heat loss to current of air. Evaporation, heat loss when water evaporates from skin to breath. Radiation, heat loss via electromagnetic waves from skin to surrounding surface.